In this video, I will show how to convert kilograms to pounds in Microsoft Excel. So we have this sample data and I will show you the formula to convert kilograms into pound. Type equal sign, then convert. Double click on this convert. Now select first cell for kilogram column, comma, and type here kg with inverted, then comma. So we want to convert kilograms over here. We have to type kg, and we want to convert into pounds. So here we have to write LBM. And closing bracket. So this is the formula. kg into LBM. Press enter. Now drag and drop. That's it. So thanks for watching.